Alright, so I just filled up all the way, and this is where we're sitting at right now. 169 miles for a full tank. I mean, that's just based on mostly city driving and some fast Autobahn driving, so that's not actually accurate right now. I have to go to an appointment in Wiesbaden, Germany, which is about 2 hours. So I thought I'd take this chance to try to do a granny run, as I would call it, and see what kind of gas mileage we can get. So it's going to take a lot of effort for me not to, you know, want to get on it as this car is intended to do. But for video purposes, I'm going to try my best to drive economically in a GT350, if that's a thing. So we'll see what we can get. See if I can get you guys a decent camera view here. We're gonna drive in sport mode, sport, Magna ride, sport steering, and overall sport mode. All right, let's see what we can get. This is gonna be hard. I'm off to a good start in the hill. Alright, so we got the address and GPS, and we're off. So I just want to update you guys. You can probably, I don't think you can with the camera angle, but I'm at 27 miles per gallon right now. You know what? I'll prove it to you guys, and I'll take a picture of it with my phone while you're on camera right now. Well, I guess now it says 29 or 26.8, but close enough. So that was the highest we got to so far, is 27 miles per gallon. Right now we're going through a tunnel. We're sitting at 27.3 miles per gallon. So far we're at 13 miles into the trip. Wow guys, I know we're only 15 miles into the trip, but I mean us the view, but it's even going up. It's 28.3 right now, and I'm just chilling at 50 miles an hour on the flat. I mean, maybe it's a little bit down right now, but for the most part, it's pretty flat. We'll see what the rest of the trip yields. So right now, we're actually going up a hill. We're at 28.9 miles into the trip, and the miles per gallon is saying 28.9. So far this whole trip, we've only used 1 gallon of fuel so far, which is super impressive coming out of a V8 like this one. There's no fuel-saving technologies in this car. There's no, what do they call that? Variable displacement, I believe is what it's called, where it drops 2 or 4 cylinders in the engine. This doesn't have anything like that. So I haven't been doing any weird stuff. I haven't been coasting down hills. I haven't been doing anything crazy. I've just been driving real nice and easy, normal. Not doing anything crazy, and I'm getting an average of 29 miles to the gallon out of this thing, which is wild. I feel like so far, most of this trip, there's been quite a few, like even right now, like it's a long, gradual downhill. So when I get to Wiesbaden, and I get done my appointment there, when I come back, I'm gonna keep trip 1 going so I can get a total trip count of the miles per gallon and distance and all that stuff. But when I turn around at Wiesbaden, I'm going to start trip 2 so I can see what the other half of the trip going back the other way is like compared to the first trip, and I'll take a snapshot when we get done, when we get to Wiesbaden. But right now, 30 miles in, 20 miles to the gallon. We'll see how she fares for the rest of the trip. So I'm getting closer to the city where my appointment is. As you can see, I don't know what the holdup is, but we just came up to a standstill here. But right now, until we got to this point, as it sits, we're at 28.5 miles per gallon at 68 miles into the trip, 1 hour and 32 minutes. So obviously it'll go down now that we're going through the stop and go stuff. Alright, I just got done my appointment. We're about to start the second leg back home. I'm hoping I can get around this truck that just pulled up right here. So we got into the city. Of course, the gas mileage went down. So right now, on trip 1, we're holding 72 miles, 26.9 miles per gallon. And the miles till empty, I'm not sure why my GoPro just shut off. I think I said some keyword to make it go off or something. But anyways, the mileage till empty, I don't think it's reset. It says 133. And I feel like it should be more with higher miles per gallon. But we'll see. So I'm gonna start trip 2. I'm gonna reset it here. This is gonna give us our miles per gallon for this leg specifically. But I'm gonna monitor trip 1. And let this truck go. So it's gonna be slow and not very good economical driving for the first 20 minutes because we're gonna be in the city. Oh, come on, phone. Sometimes when I hook up this phone, it doesn't connect right, but that's good now. Right. Put in home. Alright. 1 hour and 38 minutes. 512 kilometers. If any of you guys haven't visited Europe, I highly recommend visiting. I mean, some of these buildings are just crazy. There's so many cool things to do here. Their quality buildings here is ridiculously good compared to American stuff. I'd rather be back in America, but Germany and Europe as a whole is pretty cool. I can't say that I enjoy living here overall, but it's a really awesome place to visit. I don't know if you guys can look and see if you guys can see what these buildings look like. You guys get an idea. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling here while we stroll through here. It's so tight, the roads are very, very tight. One time this lady, she pinched me between her and it was either hit her or hit the curb, so I chose the curb. And the rims on my E92 M3 are just trashed on the right side. I was not happy. A little update for you. We're 120 miles in, 26.0 miles per gallon is what we're reading right now. Gauge till empty says 115. But we've been maintaining, for a while we were doing 100, 105 kilometers an hour, which is like 60 miles an hour. And then once I got off the highway and doing this stuff, you know, just moseying around with slow traffic, you know, like these tractor trailers and stuff, so it's helped out a little bit. The city driving really killed the gas mileage. Went down about 2.5 miles per gallon, but we're still doing pretty well. 26 miles per gallon for a V8 like this thing is just amazing, so I'm pretty impressed. Alright, so we're coming up on the gas station that we started at. We're at 25.9 miles per gallon. Might be able to squeeze 26.0 going down this hill to finish off the video. We'll have to see. We're 143.3 miles in total trip. Doesn't look like we're going to get to 26. Oh, that's it. 25.9 on a 143 mile trip. Alright, so I just filled it up. Now it's saying 222 miles till empty, which is still pretty crappy for a full tank. That's pretty wild. But we can get going here. Alright, so that's the end of that video. We ended up with 25.9 miles per gallon at 143 miles. About 3 hours of, well, 3.5 hours of drive time. I think for this car being a V8, a high-strung V8, that's pretty dang good. Like I said during the video, I wasn't playing any games or anything. I just drove it normal. So if you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you could, and then put in the comments if there's anything that you would specifically like to see me do with the GT350. Thanks for watching.